welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing iron-on tumblers. Okay, I know that we did this live, but I know it was kind of a let's try this, but it turned out so fun, and I actually ended up making a lot of these for Christmas presents because they're super durable, and everyone asks, why do you use iron-on instead of vinyl? And one of the things is I've learned glitter iron-on is what I love to use the best for this. One, because I love glitter iron-on, it's gorgeous. And two, it's so durable that you can pull the plastic off and go over this with the iron, and it's gonna make it adhere even more. Now the thing is, you only want to do this on metal. We have not tried it on anything else yet, so once we do, you guys will know the answer to that. But these are the double insulated water bottles or tumblers. They make these in, this one's brand new obviously, they make these in like tumblers like this at Starbucks. They also make them in like the hot drink coffee style. They make these in a bunch of stuff, and you can get these at like one of my favorite places I found them is at Burlington Coat Factory, or just Burlington now, they changed the name. And then they have like these at TJ Maxx, Ross, so you can get them for reasonably priced prices. But the cool thing is you're not supposed to dishwasher these anyways, put them in the dishwasher. So since you can't dishwasher them either, it's already the answer. Like, oh, that's the number one answer I get. If you don't seal this, how does it hold up in the dishwasher? And you're not supposed to dishwasher these at all. So just go ahead and go over it with maybe some soap and water. And you always want to only keep water in these. So just wash out the inside really good and try not to get the outside messy. And you can wipe it down. It's definitely durable. Like, I'm gonna say it's more durable than vinyl because it is. So I love this method, so let's get going. It's a really quick tutorial, and we already did it, but I wanted to shoot it just like exactly how I did it so you guys can know. So let's get going, and I hope you guys love it. And if you want to see more of the ones that I did, I have pictures on my blog of the ones I gave people for Christmas. So let's get going.